Well, I don't know. What would you guys use, the Super Clean or the Armor All? I don't know. Stay tuned to find out. So my gut feeling is telling me to save the Super Clean for something a lot more worse than this floor, and to use this Armor All. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it. Oops, it'd help if you turned it on. And I'm just going to spray it all over the cab floor. Just spray it everywhere, let it set and soak for a while, then we'll come back and try scrubbing it. So since I can't find a rag, I'm just going to use a shop towel to try and pick some of this manure and stuff up. So it seems to be getting the gist of it. No, I'm not knocking Super Clean. Super Clean's an awesome product. I just had the Armor on hand. I had more of it. And it seems to be getting it fairly clean. Oh yeah. Let's just pick this stuff right up. Oh yeah. We're getting it. Little grooves are a pain in the butt. That's what happens when you make a mess. Manure feet and everything, and yeah. Would have hoped if I would have had a little brush to agitate this stuff a little bit better, but I don't, so we'll just keep pecking away out of here. Okay, so I feel that the Super Clean dissolving grease, I feel that it deserves a chance. Not that I feel that this is grease, but oh, okay. That's not what I was expecting, but man. Okay. This is cool. We'll let that, I don't know if you let it soak for a little bit, or I think you do. Let me look on the back here. Okay, so it says not to let dry, so we'll go get a bucket with some water and a rag or one of those shop towels and see if it can pick the rest of that stuff up out of there. Okay, we'll let that dry and come back and see what kind of a screwed up mess we did. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's see how this floor turned out on this tractor. Okay, so I'm kind of curious to see how this floor turned out. I'm kind of letting it dry right now because it just wants to be the right thing to do. Let's turn the camera around and see how it turned out. Daggone, that didn't turn out too bad. Other than a little bit here in the threshold. But I mean, it's nothing that a paper towel couldn't take care of. But for the most part, it got the super. I want to give a big thank you to Super Clean. Yeah, it wasn't a really fair test because I used both products, the Super Clean and the Armor All. So I just want to show you what both of them will do. For more videos and product reviews and stuff like this, go visit Northeast Ohio Farmer on Facebook or leave me an email with videos you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, guys.